Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've got the app and a stylus or finger ready. Now open Medibang and tap the plus button to create a new canvas. Choose a preset or enter custom dimensions like 2000 x 2000 px and set DPI to match your final use. 72 for web, 300 for print. Once done, enable pressure support if you have a stylus so line weight responds naturally. Make sure to name your file and pick a sensible canvas orientation so you don't redo layout later. You'll start on sketch layer with a light, low-opacity brush to block shapes, then create a new layer for linear and pick a stabilizer or pen preset to steady your strokes. Once linear is locked, add color layers beneath and use the bucket with tolerance adjusted for cleaner fills. Make selections with lasso or magic wand to confine shading and use transform to resize or tweak proportions. Remember to group or name layers so you can toggle visibility quickly as you refine. To finish, tidy edges, add highlights on a top layer, and apply a gentle filter if needed. Then export via share to PNG or save an MDP backup with layers intact. Make sure to check output size and quality settings before saving. Reduce canvas DPI only if file is too large. If you run into issues like jagged fills or missing strokes, undo to the prior step, adjust magic wand tolerance, or rearrange layers. These quick fixes will resolve most common problems without restarting the file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.